What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the AWE exhaust suite. Let's go. So I've been waiting for this part for such a long time, ever since I deleted my muffler and my resonator on my F30, and then I added a Jpipe. You can watch the video somewhere up here. I fell in love with the sound. I fell in love with the true sound of my engine, and I thought to myself, well, can it get any better? You know, because I've seen a lot of people online posting about different exhausts that they're using, and the one that stood out the most to me was the AWE exhaust suite. And honestly, guys, on video, it sounds amazing. I can only imagine how it would sound in person. So right now I'm on the way to Crown Auto in Glendora. These guys have hooked it up since the beginning, and they're the ones that actually sparked my first modification on this car. So I gotta be faithful to where it's due, and I'm gonna go hit up their shop right now and install this baby. And I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips, the install, the review, and just overall thoughts on this install. So stay tuned, and let's get to the install. I wanted to show you just what the cabin sounds like with my current setup. Again, no muffler, no resonator, and I have a Jpipe, a drum. So the windows are down, so I do apologize for the extra sound, but I wanted to show you guys just what it sounds like, you know, in the cabin prior to me getting it removed. All right, this is in comfort mode. This is in sport mode. So a huge shout out to my muffler shop, Crown Auto in Glendora. I'm so grateful for you guys. You guys have really taken care of me. If you're in California and you're in Glendora, go and check them out. They will hook you up. Alright, here's that Jpipe y'all been looking for.
Holy crap, dude.
That sounds bad. It's a Sport Plus.
Oh, shoot.
Alright guys, so I am super excited. It sounds phenomenal. Like, it sounds a lot cleaner than just going straight pipe. I mean, it's more defined. It's a lot more, I don't know how to put it, but it's deeper and more defined, which I am so happy about. And believe it or not, I feel a difference in the throttle response. I mean, I know that they state that it adds 9 horsepower to the wheels, so I mean, 9 horsepower is something, especially on my little 320i. I could feel everything, guys. So this is in comfort mode. I'm gonna give you the sound of it with my windows down in the cabin. For the most part, it's pretty quiet in the cabin, which I'm okay with. I mean, it's not a big deal. It's a lot deeper. I love how it just drones very quietly, if that makes any sense. I know droning is a bad thing, but it gives a nice presence that you're here, right? So I'm still in comfort mode and it sounds phenomenal. I love it. I really do love the way it sounds. All right, I'm gonna switch it over to sport. I know that you heard some pops and cracks before, so now I am in sport mode, and we'll see how it sounds. Let me give it a little pull. Still burbles pretty loud, guys. I am excited. It is kicking out a lot of just residue, obviously. Sounds great, guys. So overall, I am really happy over this install. The AWE made my car just sound a lot better. I do feel a different throttle response, after the install. So I'm just really excited. It sounds great, it sounds clean, which I think all BMWs should sound clean. And I was running straight pipe, and it was great. You know, I enjoyed it, and I figured, you know what, I wanted to just take it to the next level and get a more defined sound for my BMW. So really excited. Thank you so much, Kies Motorsports, for giving me this shipment. I really appreciate you guys and all the support that you're giving me. Crown Auto in Glendora, thank you so much for the install. Ernie and Jeff, you guys just hooked it up phenomenally. And if you guys are located in California, hit them up. I will put their information in the link in my description, so you can call them and make your appointments and, you know, get whatever work you need done for your exhaust piping and whatever. They're really great. So great hospitality, great guys. So thank you so much, Jeff and Ernie. You guys are amazing. And AWE, thank you again for making such a great product for my car. I'm happy, and we'll see how this sounds after 100 miles. You know, I'm gonna do another video review after 100 miles of driving with this exhaust pipe. As soon as those pipes are warm, fully broken in, I'm gonna see how it differentiates from when I first installed it today. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll catch you next week, family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.